Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video, and today we have an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Asako action camera V50 Pro. Alright, so this is a well-reviewed basically budget camera or budget action camera, similar to something like a GoPro, but at 1/3 of the cost. So I was able to get this on Amazon for about $120, and it looks pretty good from what I'm seeing on reviews and some YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you guys exactly what is inside.
Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright, so before we unbox it, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging itself. Now, there you can see the camera right there, very GoPro packaging. If you can see it, you see here Asako action camera V50 Pro, wireless connection and waterproof. You see the guy there being all action camera-y. Here you go, Ultra HD native 4K edition. Now this version it goes up to 4K 30 frames per second with image stabilization. So this does not do 4K 60. The model up, which I believe is the Elite, does do 4K 60 but does not have image stabilization. So that to me was kind of worthless, so I decided to go with this one. And there is another camera that I was looking at that I basically did my research after and was able to pick this one up instead of the other one. It was the Elite, the Asako Brave 6. Now that one to me might be a little bit better than this one, but we're gonna have to take a look and see at how the images come out with this one. So here we go. Integrated wireless connection, waterproof casing, inputs mini USB, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Adjustable view angle lens and a micro SD card not included, but I got one, so no worries. On the left hand side, we got waterproof up to 98 feet, touchscreen, image stabilization, and we got some specifications back here. I'm not going to read them all, but basically going through here, it does come with a remote control. It does have a touch screen there. You guys can take a look at it. I'm not going to read them all. Mounts and accessories included. So the good thing about the Asako brand is that they bring a plethora of accessories. So unlike GoPro, you don't have to really go out and buy a ton of accessories. So here, native 4K, it gives you the modes here: 4K 30, 2K 30, and 1080p 60. Brings 2 batteries, which is really good. GoPro only brings 1. And I believe it does bring a charging base as well. Waterproof up to 98 feet if you use the waterproofing housing, wireless connection, and multi-language. Cool. All right, remote, and here's the QR code, I guess, to download the app. So you can't control it with an app, but I won't be doing that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. We got the top open. Let's pop it out, and then the first thing we're greeted here is the action camera itself. Let's go ahead and leave that for last. Let's put that down. So very normal presentation here, nothing too special. You take that one off, you go ahead and toss that to the side, and you got this regular black box here, and this is going to bring all the accessories. Now this is my first actual action camera. I don't own a GoPro, so I can't compare them, but basically I don't know all the accessories and what they're called, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what comes in the box, and then if you guys know, then go ahead and fire it off on the comments below to see what the actual accessory is. Now I'm not an expert, but I believe that this is the 2 batteries and the charging base that I was speaking about, and a charging cable. So that's pretty cool. The first thing is these batteries are tiny, and I believe these are standard for action cameras, because the action cameras themselves are really tiny. But what I'm looking at is that these are really small. All right, and they bring 2. So let me go ahead and take out the charging base, and they basically go in like this, I believe, if I'm doing it correctly. There you go. And you can charge 2 of them up, which is really cool. Good job with Asako. Let's go ahead and toss that to the side. We have another bracket here. Not sure what that's for. We have the remote control. And this remote control, I believe that the Brave 6 that I was telling you about, that I was thinking about getting, has a better remote control. This one kind of looks very cheap, but I don't believe I'll be using this much, but it's good that they added it to it. That's really cool. All right, we have a tightening wrench. Let's see what that's for. We have other mounts. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look at it out of the camera and I'm getting out of focus. We have other mounts here. Some more mounts. You know, if I'm again, I'm not an expert in this. It's my first action camera, so if I'm getting the name wrong, sorry guys. All right, so we have another mount or some sort of clamp. Looks like the same one. Another one. Jeez. Another one here. I feel like I'm DJ Khaled. Another one.
Another one.
Here we go. I'll have to take a look at the manual to see what exactly it is. So we do have some tie wraps, it looks like. That's pretty cute, right? We have this like enclosement. Let's see what we use this for. Now I do have a tripod, a gorilla-like tripod that I'll be using for my review video. So I'll be mounting that onto the Asako action camera. I was about to say GoPro. The Asako action camera, and be doing some testing with the video capabilities on that. Here we have some, looks like double-sided tape and some wiring. Again, don't know what all this is for. Cloth to clean, pretty cool. And some Velcro ties there. That's a lot of accessory, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. And this is for $120 US. You get all these accessories. You can pick and choose what you want to use, and you get all of these. That's crazy. All right, guys. So now let me go ahead and take that out of the way, and let's take a look at the actual camera itself. Now, let me figure out how do you open this thing. Why did they do it like this?
2,000 years later.
There we go. Took me a minute, but I got it. All right, here you go. And I apologize if you guys hear a baby crying in the background. I promise you that's not a baby, that's my cat. She wants to get inside, but here is the camera itself. How do you take it out of this? I have no idea. There you go. Open this up. And I'll mess with the housing later. I just don't want to break anything. All right, so quick look. That's the waterproof housing. Looks pretty standard. I mean, you might be able to use it with a GoPro, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Let me know in the comments below if you can use it. And here is the action camera itself. very action camera-y. All right, so you do have the touchscreen in the back, gives you instructions on how to get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at the left. It's obvious this is not really waterproof because all the ports are exposed. That's why you need the housing. But you do have the micro SD slot right there. Right there. Let me give you guys a good look. The looks like mini SD and micro SD slots, or one of them might be HDMI. I might be wrong. All right, so here's where you put the battery inside. Pretty standard. And it does have a threaded what's it called, connector there. I might be getting the word wrong. Threaded connector there that I believe fits my tripod, but I'm not sure. I'll test it out. There's the camera itself, a Castle branding, very minimal, not too crazy. Here in the top you do have the Wi-Fi indicator, and then I believe maybe that's some speaker or something like that. You do have the 2 buttons. I'll have to look in to see what exactly button does what, because I don't know yet. All right, over here you have, looks like another speaker grill, V50 Pro. So this camera better be pro. Now I'm not expecting too much. Like basically I want this for like my bike rides, or when I take my electric scooter, my Mac wheel out to ride. I want to be able to mount this on and be able to get a different kind of view. And also I want to use this for like unboxing videos to get a separate view and see how that does in the lighting that I have in here. So I'll go ahead and test it out and let you guys know exactly what I think. That is the Castle camera itself. I don't want to take this out just yet, but there you go. Again, this is the housing for it. These are all the accessories. Look at the amount of accessories you get with this camera. $120 US. That's not bad. Again, I'm not looking for anything crazy. I don't want this to be, well, I would like it to be as good as a GoPro, but I'm not expecting it to be as good as a GoPro. If you can get me decent video and with decent image stabilization, I'm fine with that. So I'll go ahead and do a review video on this. I'll go ahead and test it for about a week or so. I'll show you guys different kinds of shots and different kinds of scenarios, and I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. And depending on how the video comes out, I might either keep this camera or maybe return it and get the Brave 6, which I heard it has better image stabilization. Alright guys, so that has been an unboxing video of the Asako V50 Pro. Let me know what you guys thought about this review video in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and like this video. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.